Shalom Taylor. אני רוצה לומר לכם מזל טוב על החתונה הקרובה שלך. Shalom, my friend, and listen, good luck and congratulations on your upcoming wedding. We're so excited, Rebecca and I, for what God is doing in your life. We have walked with you for quite a while now. We've watched you grow in the Lord. You've turned into an amazing young man of God, a leader, certainly already and also in the making. Any one of us would be honored to serve with you, to work with you in various areas of ministry as clearly the Lord has called you to do. And for Victoria, we have not really met in person yet, but I can tell you this. From what I know of Taylor and what I know of the Eason family, if they approve of Victoria, then this is truly an amazing young woman of God. Both of you should know that our home is open to you. If you ever need to come to Israel, we hope you come soon. Consider maybe a honeymoon in Israel. We'd love to see that happen. If there's any way we can help you in the future of what God's doing in your life, in your family, and in your ministry, please let us know. You always need to remember you have dear friends and people who love you here in Jerusalem. So again, b'hatzlacha, good luck on the upcoming wedding, and we know that the Lord will guide you every step of the way.